Are you able to do simple tasks, do a couple of clicks and earn money? Yeah, that's possible. If you have a cell phone, if you have a smartphone, if you have a computer, a desktop, it doesn't matter as long as you have internet connection and you're willing to do a couple of clicks here, a couple of clicks there, you're able to earn money online. And by the way, guys, this is something that is working worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. As long as you have the willingness to do this, you can earn really good money. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you, and these are going to be a couple of websites that they are out there. Some of them are 100% secret. Not a lot of people know about them, and they're willing to pay you. Yes, just to do small tasks on your spare time, you can earn good money. Something that I have to tell you guys is this is not my number one recommendation, but if you want to discover which one it is, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. So if you want to discover what it is, I'm going to leave a link below. Now, let me show you everything step by step because I want to make sure that you are going to have a lot of earning potential. You can use one of these websites or you can use them all. My suggestion is go ahead and use them all just to make sure that you're going to be earning really good money. Remember that this is something that you can do. It doesn't matter where you are. And now let me show you everything. Let me share with you my screen. And this is the very first website that I'm going to be talking about. It's called Picoworkers. Okay, you can go to Picoworkers. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with business owners from all over around the world. And you just need to do really easy, really simple tasks. Okay, by the way, you are not going to be a full-time employee. This is something that you can do on your spare time. You don't need to have any kind of experience or expertise. You don't need to put out like your resume or something like that. No, 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 no. Forget about crazy things. Okay. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to complete what they call gigs. Okay, simple projects. By the way, just in case that you're wondering like, Diana, are people really making money with this? Let me show you some proof. Okay, so these are the most recent workers who completed some tasks and they decide to withdraw the money. Remember, these are small tasks with big results. For example, we have this person. Okay, this person, the total earning right now is $38.81. This one, $1.94. This one requests a withdrawal, and this is something that I want you guys to see, is the fact that you can withdraw on several payment methods such as PayPal, AirTM, Litecoin, Skrill, and others. So there is no excuses. Hey, Diana, I don't have PayPal. Don't worry. You can use the cryptos such as Litecoin, or you can use AirTM. If you don't have a link or you don't have an account and you are thinking about opening an AirTM account, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be on the description. So you can see here, this person decides to withdraw $5. This person decides to withdraw $14.68, $8 here, $26 here, $18 here, $4 over here. So you got it, guys. So as long as you have the willingness to do this, you can earn money online. So there is no excuse. Diana, I don't have a computer. Don't worry. You don't need a computer. Okay. So now what do you need to do if you decide to join this? Okay. If you decide to go ahead and join this, you need to go to the main websites and you need to go where it says sign up. Here on the sign up tab, you're going to land here. Okay. I'm going to explain how this works. Okay. So you need to type in your real name. Okay. This is going to be just for verification purposes. Okay. So it's going to be your first name, your last name, a valid email address, here a password. Okay. I was having some issues with the password because I was typing or I was using a password with only 8 characters, but you need to use a password that has at least 10 characters. Use upper and lowercase numbers and a special character. You need to repeat it. Okay, here you're going to put your nickname, the country where you're from. You're going to choose that you are a worker, accept the terms and conditions, and make sure that you're going to be getting news from them. Okay. Please, guys, do not use a VPN. This is something that you are not going to see on this page, but it's actually on the next page. Okay. When you log in, there are going to be a series of rules. And one of the rules is that you cannot use a VPN. Another rule is that there is just one account per person. Okay. So that's really important. It's about like 8 to 10 rules. Please make sure that you're going to read them. Okay. But the most important one right now is that on this specific website, you cannot use a VPN. Okay. So these are the tasks that you are going to be doing. Okay. For example, you're going to be able to download an ebook. Okay. This is how much the person is willing to pay, $1.50. Okay. Here, another ebook, $1.20. Okay. Here you're going to be downloading or using an app. Okay. And something really important is you can see, guys, it says international. Okay, here it says international. So basically, it doesn't matter where you guys are from or where you guys are located. There is plenty of opportunities here. Okay, so here we have another hot offer. Okay, so as you can see, these are different micro tasks. There are other tasks like watching YouTube videos, liking YouTube videos, reading blog posts, and other things that you can do. So there are a lot of things that you can do this with Picoworkers. You can go to picoworkers.com. Okay, you are going to have the opportunity to withdraw whenever you are ready. Okay, as you can see, the minimum it's actually really, really low, because you can see here we have someone who will withdraw $10, $4, $4, $5, $4, $14. Okay, and they do have several ways in which you can withdraw. Okay, so this is how you guys are going to be doing the things with Picoworkers. They also have a referral program. Okay, so if you decide to invite someone to, to be part of Picoworkers, okay, there is no charge. This is 100% free. Okay, you just need to share this link, and you are going to be earning while you're doing the task and when that other person is doing the task. Okay, so you're going to be earning 5%. It's really easy, really simple. Not a lot of people know about this website, which is called Picoworkers. Okay, what else do I have for you guys? Okay, I know chances are that you're going to be excited about this website and you're wondering, like, Diana, what else do you have with us? You told us that you have like several websites. If you're enjoying these videos so far, leaving a thumbs up. Okay, also guys, please let me know what's your favorite payment method. As you notice, this website do have several payment methods such as PayPal, AirTM, and cryptos. Please leave it in the comment area. Let me know what's your favorite payment method, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that, it's available in your area and you do have your favorite payment method. So type it down. And also remember, guys, that the very first link in the description, it's what is my number one recommendations to make money online. So please make sure that you're going to be clicking that link after watching this video. Well, let me show you this other website. It's one that we can use with a VPN. Okay, remember the one that I showed you before, the Picoworkers, is not available, or it's not allowing users to use a VPN, but the next website, it does. So go to Proton VPN and please make sure that you're going to be downloaded, so you are going to be able to, to browse privately, and you're going to be able to choose a country in which this next website it's available. Okay, so let me show you everything. Okay, remember with Picoworkers, you're going to be earning money right away. But with this next website, you are going to be earning points. By the time recording this video, 1,000 points is $1. This can change. It can be a little bit more or it can be a little bit less. So I want you to take that into consideration. The next website is called Earnably. Okay, so you can go to earnably.com. There are several tasks that you can do here if you want to earn money with this website. My suggestion is go with simple tasks such as watching videos. Okay, do not go with the surveys because they can take a lot of time and we want something that we can be doing, or actually, yeah, we can be doing really quickly. Or chances are that you are like, hey, I want to use the other website. I don't have a lot of time to be in the computer. So you can open the video earnestly and you're going to be downloading the ebooks, doing the other tasks on the other website. So Earnably, again, is 100% free. Okay, they do have several types of rewards. For example, here we have a 5 minutes task, 23 points, 4-minute task, 80 points, another task, 200 points. Okay, how you can actually withdraw the money? Well, you can cash the payments via PayPal. You can decide to take the payment with gift cards or wallet codes. Okay, so these are the options that you can have with Earnably. Okay, you can also decide to invite friends and you're going to be earning 10% of your earnings. Okay, something that I like about Earnably is the fact that they do have Trustpilot. So it means that people are really enjoying using this and you're going to be the next one who are going to be enjoying this as well. This is 100% free to join. Remember, in certain websites, Earnably is not going to be allowed, but you can use Proton VPN and you can take advantage of that tool. Okay, so this is the website that I'm going to be talking about. And then next, go to the next website. Not a lot of people are talking about the next website. So chances are that you're going to be one of the very first. The same with Picoworkers. Okay, and this website, it's called Streetbeast. Okay, this is actually an app that you can download. Okay, if you have some spare time, you can earn money. You can withdraw it. The only thing that you need to have is a smartphone. It can be an Apple device. It also can be an Android device because this app is available on the App Store, and this app is also available on Google Play. If you, for some reason, do not have a Google account or you're in a country in which you cannot use a Google account, here APK that you can download directly. Okay, so there is no excuses. You can actually download this. Okay, so you can see that they have features in several places. And what are you going to be doing? Well, something simple. You're going to be downloading the app. You're going to be creating an account. Okay, these guys, they pay only through PayPal. Okay, so don't forget to start by adding your PayPal account, and you are going to be getting paid. Okay, you just need to select the story. You're going to be responding the story to the chat style. There is no wrong or right questions. You're going to be taking photos, doing videos whenever it's possible, and that's how you guys are going to be getting paid. Again, there is no right or wrong question, or actually right or wrong answer. You can actually do this, but you need to understand that Streetbeast is actually an option that you have if you are someone who likes, to be walking around, who likes to be creating stories, who likes to be taking pictures, who like to be creating videos. So I'm pretty sure that this is something that most people are going to be like, well, maybe this is not for me. Hey, just give it a try, okay? Just give it a try because this is something new. This is something that not a lot of people are taking advantage of, and you can be one of them. They also have something that they call the ambassador program. Okay. If you decide like, hey, I really like Streetbeast, Okay, I really like Streetbeast. I like the format. I like the way they pay. I feel comfortable with it. You can help them expand in your country. Okay, so you are gonna be, them helping them, with social networks. Okay, you just need to have some spare time between 2 to 3 hours per week. Something really important is that you're gonna get paid every single time you refer a friend and that person do a task. Okay, you're gonna be joining their community and you just need to apply here. Okay, so this is something that you need to take into consideration to become an ambassador on Streetbeast. Again, a lot of people are not talking about this, so think about this as an opportunity. Again, you can decide to go ahead and use one of these websites. You can decide to go ahead and use all of them. But remember, you guys, that on the very first link in the description, it's my number one recommendation to make money online. Do not miss the opportunity to discover what it is all about. If you're really interested on making a full-time living while you are actually online, and it's going to be with passive income. So that means that you do not need to be spending time doing different gigs. Okay, this is something in which you're going to be earning money. It doesn't matter where you're located. It doesn't matter what are you doing, but you need to take um, the opportunity. Okay, you need to take the opportunity if you're serious about making money online. Okay, so my suggestion, guys, is that keep watching the next video because there's going to be another way in which you can actually earn money. Apply these strategies. Click the very first link in the description, and I see you on the next video.